All right, hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin. I'm your host, Tone Vays. I come to you live from the Tbilisi International Airport. It's such a tiny airport, and I am amazed how nice this lounge is. It's really like I've never been here before, and this lounge is great. And gonna give you guys a quick tour. It was almost empty when I walked in here, but by the time I said, look at this, like it's super cool. Unfortunately, CNN is playing in the background. Though I'm going to be on CNN. They recorded me. Or that's as max as it goes. Super nice lounge. And the best part about Georgia, their wine. Their wine is ridiculous. So I'm going back to Dubai. I'm bringing 5 bottles of wine. I really should have bought 6 bottles. I'm allowed to bring 6 bottles of wine into Dubai. I'm sure they're gonna stop me and ask me questions, but I bought 5 bottles of wine. Their wine is absolutely incredible. It's if anyone is going to the financial summit through Tbilisi, and there's absolutely no reason why anyone's gonna fly to Bali through Tbilisi. I don't know, like sneak as many bottles of wine as you can. It's literally for me, it's the best wine in the world. I know the French and the Italians and the Portuguese and the Chileans are going to disagree. Georgian wine, the Georgian semi-sweet wine, best wine in the world. All right, so my flight started boarding 1 minute ago, and I'm talking about wine and Tbilisi, Georgia. But I came out here to really enjoy my time. I didn't make any videos while I was here. I was enjoying the food, was enjoying the wine, was enjoying the conference. It's actually pretty cool. And let's look at some charts. Let's see what happened. The answer is nothing, but let's see what happened anyway. This was the conference I was at, De-Gamify. I was the only Bitcoiner at the conference, and that's nothing new. But like I said, Tbilisi, Georgia, it's like the hidden gem of the world. This hotel, it's a little bit further away from city center than I like, but the spa in this hotel, the sauna, is huge. Like there's like sauna houses, sort of like bath houses that I go to, whose sauna is not as big as this one was. Yeah, there I am. So it was cool event. Met awesome people. All right, I'm gonna close this. And I'm speaking at Kinza. I'm coming back to Dubai. I'm gonna speak at Kinza. This is a marketing event, marketing and digital marketing event. I'm speaking about Bitcoin. It's going to be super cool as well. There I am. So come by and check that out. All right, charts. Monthly chart. We got to wait till this month ends. I want to see if we rally a little bit to the end of the month so that the last month would put in a low candle low. But these are Heikin-Ashi candles, and I can never pronounce that correctly anyway. Well, we're going to keep extending this triangle. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong in extending the triangle, as long as you don't break the tone-based rules of triangle building. What are the tone-based rules of triangle building? Well, you need to touch the maximum number of candles without breaking any of the bodies of set candles. So I could theoretically draw the triangle like this. It'll be hard for me to fudge it further. They might have announced my flight, but I'm enjoying this wine. So, of all the countries I don't mind getting stuck in, it's here. Though during COVID, I'm sure it was very boring. All right, so the triangle is still upon us. We're consolidating to the edge of the triangle. This is going to drag on into the election. The U.S. midterm election is going to be huge. Never in my life have I seen a more crucial midterm election. This midterm election is going to be absolutely critical to the future of, well, potentially to the future of human survival because of what's happening with Russia. So let's see which way the election goes. Is it going to make much of a difference? Probably not. Even if Republicans win, my best hope is that Republicans win and block any legislation that the Democrats pass. So the government making no laws and no rules is actually better than the government currently making laws and rules. So I will take complete stalemate so that they don't do anything else over them doing something. Sometimes the best move is nothing. And right now, the best move in Bitcoin trading is nothing. The best thing you can do right now is hold cash, because I still think there's a decent probability that Bitcoin is going to crash down to 14K, 14, 15, and you need to have the cash on hand in order to buy the dip. Also, if we start closing above 20,000, 20,500, you're going to need that cash to be certain that the bull market is upon us. So the best move right now in Bitcoin, like it has been since August, is to do nothing. The financial summit is coming. We have a slightly new video up here. So if you refresh the page, you're going to get a cool new looking video. That's the castle that we rented. This is, whoa, what the hell happened there? All right, let's try this again. Conferences, financials. Let's start from scratch. That was the castle that we rented. Those are the classroom side. These are all the YouTubers. They're coming back. Trading contest. Our networking, that was on top of the castle. This was in the dungeon of the castle where our conference room was. This was the presidential suite. And those are dinners, the beach, Doug Scribner playing the piano. This is Dubai. This was the spa in Dubai. It was sick. This is also Dubai. That's Dominican Republic again. And this is Dominican Republic again. That's Dubai. So we have, that's Dominican Republic again. So we have clips from our last two events, which were, well, technically it was in Ras Al Khaimah, not in Dubai, but no one knows where Ras Al Khaimah is, so we just say Dubai. And we're down to 11 rooms left. We have 11 spots left. We have a week to go. We still have 11 spots. So there's definitely room to fill. We got 11 rooms left in the whole event. Hopefully it sells out. Everyone wants to wait till the last minute. Follow us on Instagram. You can also follow us on Twitter. And on YouTube. Okay, daily chart. I just keep dragging this over. I started doing this like over here or something. I just keep dragging it over. Can we fall like this? I think we can. We're getting rejected by the moving average again. And like this could be more like that. I mean, do something like that. So I can envision something like this. I think I need to go to my flight, guys. It started boarding 10 minutes ago. We had an MRI top in the hourly chart. We're now pulling back up a little bit. The stock market has not opened yet today. We're going to go take a look at the futures market. I still think oil prices will rise. I still think gold prices will fall. And the stock market. Look at the stock market go. So I really thought the stock market could make one more final dip, but it may not. So much depends on what Jerome Powell is going to say on November 2nd. November 2nd is going to be the Fed call. We're going to be in the middle of our financial summit, so I may or may not do any videos from the summit. Look at the MRI buy on the S&P. As I told you guys, we had a monthly and a weekly MRI buy. Would have been nice to also get a daily MRI buy inside of it, but that wasn't the case. I am one of the only remaining bulls of the stock market in the world, and I'm the only one who thinks we can have a new all-time high early next year. Everyone else is waiting for a 50% crash, and I just don't see how we can possibly go below the COVID low. So I am a bull here off the MRI, monthly and weekly. And let's see if the MRI is going to be right once again, like it was in 2009. That's pretty much it for me, guys. Not many live viewers at this time of day in the US. I'm going to finish this glass of wine. And then I'm going to go board my flight. Yeah, this lounge is beautiful. But yeah, I bought like 5 bottles of wine to bring back to Dubai. Like this wine here, like these bottles, they were between $8 or €8, which is almost like dollars. Can't wait till the euro is cheaper than a dollar. They were between like €8 and like €16. And not only can you not find a bottle like this of wine in Dubai, it won't cost you €8. It would cost you 80 to 150 euros in Dubai. And here at the airport, it's €8. Outside the airport, probably about €4 to €5 for an incredible bottle of wine. One of my favorites. Bye, guys.